Everybody get up. Can you feel this energy? This is the start of something great. We might be a little late, hey, but at least we're on our way. You got too much time to waste.
Hi guys, it's Sun City Dreaming. I'm Chantal.
I'm Junior.
Matt.
Today we're going to be filming a Q&A, a Who Knows Me Better challenge. I think this is going to be interesting because we both have an equal playing field. My brother and I are really close, so he knows me really well. And we've been together for 10 years, so he better know me well.
And plus, he lives with her, so he's always here.
You live here too all the time. He's here all the time.
Well, yeah, but you get what I'm saying.
Yes, so I'm excited to see how this is going to work out. I have a set of questions that I'm going to be asking them, and they're going to flip over their whiteboard, and we're going to see who gets it right. I'm going to be telling up the scores, so at the end, the loser has to do something of my choice or the winner's choice. So we'll see how that goes, but stay tuned because it's going to be interesting. And they're already talking smack, you know, it's the usual. Alright, so how confident do you feel, sir?
I feel pretty confident. I feel pretty confident.
Pretty?
Yeah, pretty confident.
Alright, you heard it. You, sir, how do you feel?
I'm gonna win.
You're gonna win?
Yeah.
Damn, just like that?
Yeah.
Alright, no questions asked?
No questions.
We're gonna see. Well, there's gonna be questions asked, so.
Shit.
Oh!
Alright. And if my bun looks crazy, I'm sorry guys. My hair is longer now, so it just doesn't cooperate like it used to.
He
Alright.
cheats a lot, so I gotta block my
don't.
window board, whatever it's called.
I have the questions on my phone. Okay, first question. What 2 AP classes did I take in high school?
What the
I made the questions even, so they both have a chance, okay?
In high school, right?
Yes, in high school. What did I freaking stress about
What
in high
course
school?
did we take in high school?
No, I can't tell you that. That's cheating.
Alright, I have my answers.
You got doomed right now. You were so confident like 10 seconds ago. What happened?
I wasn't even, like...
1, 2, 3, 4.
Butch. Math?
Math, Junior!
Math!
I took AP math!
You said
Math
you
is my worst subject
You
ever.
said you hated it.
Yeah!
AP?
I'm gonna take
Why
AP
would you
math
take
if I hate it.
Right now she said she
I know my
hated
second
it.
one's wrong. That's what I was trying to figure out. What other courses we took.
No, I took English and history, so you're right, actually.
Oh, man.
You're right. So Matt gets the first point.
Man, what kind of questions, y'all? I was like 8 years old when she was in high
That's
school.
why. You gotta pay attention.
You've been
you
knowing
live
her
with me
for
my whole life.
the
You should know
last
these
19
things.
years. That should count as 2 points because I got 2 different
Yeah,
answers.
yeah,
No.
10 out of 10.
Alright, ready? Okay. What is my favorite kind of alcoholic drink? What's the name of it? There's a name. Come on.
I got it!
Ready?
I got it.
Turn around.
Woo!
What is it? Oh, you know what? They're both right.
What?
Does that count?
Oh.
Because I like...
But you said your specific...
Yeah, I said the specific name of the drink.
Nah, well then give him his
Get
down
outta
point
here.
then. Give him his down
Because
point
I'm
then.
right.
Sorry.
What kind of crap? Where are my questions at?
Fake brother you are.
Okay.
Okay. This one should be mutual,
Alright.
okay?
Easy.
Alright.
Okay, there's 2 different answers to this, so as long as you get one right, it counts, okay? What kind of dog do I want? What kind of puppy do I want? I just talk about it all the time.
He
I
spelled
don't know
it
what
wrong.
species that is, but
He spelled it wrong,
yes,
so I get
know
the
what he
point.
means.
It's... Oh,
I don't know.
I don't know.
I just put I because I know it's for sure.
Wait, so you both get a point in that
Yeah, we
case?
both get a point.
Alright, fine. What is my favorite holiday? Taking a little long over there, boo.
Sorry if I'm writing ugly, I'm just scrambling and jambling.
Matt's taking forever. Sheesh.
Man, he's adding extra stuff. If it's so extra, then it's wrong.
Junior got that
Oh.
got that wrong?
I thought you liked it because of food. I
Man.
threw the turkey too.
I see that. There's a 3-finger turkey. Some little kid out there's crying.
You know, she's the one that likes to keep the tree up, and you're.
I didn't have time to
take
use
it
my
down.
own
I
hand.
like to keep the tree up to like February sometimes.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm that person, okay? Don't judge me.
And he likes to take it down because he's a mood killer.
He likes to turn the lights off. He comes in and then goes, like, F your Christmas, girl. And I'm
Yeah.
like, okay.
That's not true.
jazz. Screw jazz.
We do call him that around Christmas, actually.
That's not true. 3-2, mijo.
Growing up, what did I want my career to be? I had 2 things that I wanted to be.
So it's both?
No, just pick one.
Oh,
You already put. Nah!
Because you're going to look at mine, you
What
know.
it-
that's not.
Chambuca.
Junior
I
guy.
What?
Closer. It was
What?
marine biologist, but I mean, it's,
Yeah.
It's,
He's actually on the
it's
dot.
the same
It
thing.
was
you
either
know what?
marine biology or graphics design.
Yeah,
But I did
that's,
dance on the side.
That's what I was trying to change it to marine biology, but
I'm
she wants to
protesting
work
the
in
game.
animals.
You got it right, you got it right.
This is rigged.
It's
is
even,
rigged.
guys. It's tight.
Oh,
Alright.
you're whack.
Damn, it's freaking tight. Okay.
Just like in
I mean, come on. Who is my celebrity crush? They both better get this right. If not, I don't know what I've been doing this whole time.
If he doesn't spell it right, he doesn't get the point. Wait,
What?
because you have 2. Is it like right now, currently?
No, it's like
I was first.
like my
For-
main
I was
main
first.
Oh,
one.
you're, oh, okay.
I was first.
You erased it?
I haven't
was
showed it.
first.
Okay.
Chico, please. Oh. Uh-oh, because they're both her crushes. I don't know. And-
I don't know.
You
Nah.
said you didn't say right now, so that's why I was like, I was gonna
Nah,
put
nah,
that, and then I was like, wait,
because this is the one she had in mind, but when he hit her with that one, she's like, oh,
this is
crap.
the love of her life.
No, because she obviously forgot
She'll
about
watch
him.
this guy's
I did,
old
but I
ass.
love him.
She forgot
I
about
love
him.
him.
Nah, so what we
I
got?
even-
Paco Aguilar, El Gallo Negro. Who doesn't love him? Come
I
on, it's
put
Benjamin
Loco
Bratt.
I
Forever
even put
Gana.
Vatos Locos too.
Oh, he did, but now you're whack.
Oh, yes, Spider.
What's the matter, Spider? You were scared of me?
So I win, right? I win.
I think
I
we
get
I think you
we
both get a
get
point. I think they both
Nah.
get a point. Yeah.
Then I should have put both.
I messed up.
Damn, girl, get your crushes
Maybe they know me a
together.
little too well.
Get your
Okay.
crushes together.
Shut up.
Hey, y'all noticed she didn't put him.
Hey, you
She
must
likes
put
she likes
right
older
there,
men,
okay?
so I mean, when you're younger than your girlfriend, is
Because he's 21. I forgot.
I'm turning 22 this year.
Whatever you say, Raisin.
What year did I graduate college?
I mean,
Yeah, they're both right.
I should get 2 points for that because I was
she
specific.
said year. She didn't say month. You sped, so you get like minus 30.
I know when she graduated, so shut your face up.
Okay.
Man.
Oh, this is a good one.
Man,
You-
screw the eraser.
I don't even know if both of them are gonna know this, so this is gonna be interesting. How old was I when I moved out? You should actually know this.
You Wakandan booty scratcher? Ready. Oh, he lost.
No, he's right.
How was he right?
I was 17. I mean,
Sorry, buddy. You're whack. Like I keep saying.
Hold on, let me
you
count.
moved in with me. You should know this.
Hold on,
You freaking
let's count.
Stupid. Yes.
No,
she was
you were in
17.
college.
She was in.
Baby,
No, she
no.
wasn't.
I was still
She
a
was
freshman
not
in
in
high
college.
school.
I was. It
You
was
were
the
in
end of my
college.
senior year.
It was the end of her senior
No,
year.
you were in college.
No.
No, I know.
Oh
Yes,
my
you were in
gosh.
EPCC
Fight the power,
already.
honey.
Don't even
You were-
argue.
you were
I was
in
getting
college.
ready to go to
No, this has been rigged. I was a freshman
I
in high
won.
school, and she was
I
going
won.
to
Easy
college.
question. Let's go. Next one.
You were a freshman in high school?
Mhm.
In high school, honey?
Yeah.
Damn, so I was dating you when I was a senior. You're trying to get me to catch a case here. I don't think
Guys, he's freaking 80 years old.
I'm safe. Okay?
Keeps lying.
I'm safe. I didn't even give you your point.
Because
Right.
it shouldn't count. That's why.
Next
Because
question.
I'm right.
What
Wow.
is my favorite type of music? Genre? Yes. So we both have a point.
Hey.
Okay. I think I'm almost done with the questions.
Roxy.
How many kids do I want in the future? Oh my god, you guys don't
We
know
both
me.
did the line.
You don't know my
We
life.
both did the line.
Excuse
too.
you. No, that's not true.
She wants two. She wants a boy
Yes.
and a girl.
Yes.
So I get the. I clarified. So
Yeah.
I get the point.
Shut up.
But would you have known that I wanted to?
Yeah.
I would have hoped that you
Yeah,
would
but
know
I
that.
figured
We've had
for the sake of the
discussions.
video, I thought it was gonna be 0.
And to extend,
You guys trying to play me, make me look
And-
at
and to extend, she wants the boy first.
Yes.
You want 5
I know.
kids?
No.
Goes up to BB9.
No.
A whole starting baseball
No,
squad.
no.
Whole starting baseball squad.
You're gonna lose.
So this is the
chunk people.
finale? We're doing a question? Alright.
Shit was rigged.
Let me think about it because I have to think
Okay.
very well.
Okay. Snake action.
Oh my god. Alright. What do I find unattractive in a guy? Or what would make him unattractive to me if he did this? That's a random question. On the spot.
Did I spell that right?
I don't know, but your guys' spelling is questionable.
He's lazy. And a douche.
They both put douche in there. Yes, I hate douches, okay? Ew. You could be like the best looking person ever and you just start being cocky and douchey and I'm just like, ugh.
Happy International Women's Day.
Happy International Women's Day.
To you.
To you.
Alright. That wasn't a good question, obviously. What physical feature do I find most attractive in a guy? Don't be looking at his stuff!
I'm not looking at
Cheater! He's so looking.
his neck bone.
You gotta be ashamed of yourself. You weren't raised right. Is that even right? What is that? Oh my god. This is the crap I deal with on a daily basis,
Oh,
guys.
shit.
Thank you. Okay. Oh, hell no. I mean, I don't know about the waiting part, but...
Oh, what the? Get out of here.
Am I right?
Wow, you both got that wrong. Really, honey? You don't know that?
Nah.
I am really attracted to
Personality.
You
a
said
nice
physical
smile.
feature.
I said.
Oh, I could have said that.
Yeah, why didn't you say that? That's like the first thing that catches my attention. I had 2 bunnies. What were their names?
Fuck my life. Wait, how am I spelling terrible? Like,
Guys, who has a better beard? Who wins? Yeah, boy.
Ah! You both are gonna get it wrong.
What?
Yes.
Oh shit.
what the f?
Oh my god, you guys know. You guys are making this so much harder.
What
Hold
the
on,
heck?
hold on. I have one, I know for sure.
Okay, well, the tiebreaker's on you. And if you win this, you win. Because it's 3 points. Remember, the tiebreaker's 3 points.
What kind of?
I got it.
Are you sure?
No,
Matt got
that
it.
wasn't right.
Yeah,
It was Chloe.
yeah.
He look how he spelled cookie.
Nah. Yeah.
Wait.
Your dumbass gets it wrong for that. Show them how you spell cookie.
I haven't spelled it yet.
Oh no,
I
my
can't.
god.
You guys need to go back to school.
Hey, at least I didn't spell
That's
coochie.
not like.
I didn't spell it. It was a K.
No, I'm saying me. At least I didn't
Oh,
spell it.
it's COOKIE.
Wait, what?
What did you-
I just spelled it like that.
No,
No,
you
you
put
said
walkie.
C.
Walkie.
You put
Walkie.
COOC.
I don't know what the hell.
You still don't have the
You want to
fir-
make
the-
some of those walkies?
Hey guys, but I'm the expert at cookies, so I would never spell that wrong.
That's how you spell cookie?
Yes, honey.
Yeah.
You spelled it with a C instead of a K.
You got me questioning life over here. Like, I don't know.
So I guess he.
Hey,
won.
cuz.
Well, actually, Matt won.
I guess he won, but
mm-hmm.
so what? So what?
Bye, bonus question. Well,
Shut up.
Now
You're a
you get
loser.
to choose the loser's fate.
I get to choose his
Yes.
face. Tase you once.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
he'll
yeah.
tase me.
That's what we were gonna do.
Tase your face.
Okay, well we have
Your
to buy
face?
a taser.
No, I'm just.
Oh, I was like, oh hell, shit.
And they call him Taserface.
Alright guys, well I guess he has to tase me. We don't have a taser right now, but we'll get it in an upcoming video. I'll let him tase me for 5 seconds.
You're gonna pass out.
Not for 3.
Just a quick zap.
It's a man.
To the
No,
neck.
2 seconds.
A
2
quick
seconds.
zap to the
2
neck.
seconds.
Just a quick
I
zap to
can
the neck.
handle it. I can handle it. I've been tasered before.
He has.
Yeah, he's a criminal.
So Matt ended up being the victorious winner. Good job, honey.
Man, whack.
We're getting dubs out here. Dubs.
Gross.
In our next future vlog or video, we will include Junior getting tased. We'll be sure to include that.
Yeah, and also Matt is getting his tattoo this weekend
Yes.
from our previous video.
I took the L.
Yeah, from
Unfortunately.
our Madden challenge.
You guys need to stay tuned for Saturday. That'll be that
Yeah.
vlog.
Yeah, you know, we want to give you guys more content. We appreciate you guys, you know, following us, supporting us.
Also, please be sure to comment, share, like. If you guys want to comment any videos that you guys plan on seeing or you
Yeah.
want to see or are interested in, we would love to do that. If you guys have any hidden gems in El Paso that you know aren't really out there, we would love to visit them. If you guys have
Explore
some of your
them.
favorite spots, you know.
Yes.
Also, yeah, the more we get some of your guys' reactions, feedback, you know, we like to give back to you all. So hey, like, help us subscribe, share, and everything with the videos, comment, let everybody know about Sun City Dreaming. And there's gonna be a giveaway coming up soon that I know everybody will enjoy from the city. And even if you're not from the city, maybe you can take a trip out here and enjoy that moment. So
It's worth it, guys. It
it's
really
definitely
is.
worth it.
Part 2, we want to let you guys know that we're starting this channel from El Paso, and with that, yes, we're going to include vlogs, challenges, pranks, all of that, but our main goal and our intention is to do things here to help bring our city to light, whether that be going to food places, you know, downtown for art shows. We want to
Events,
meet up with
everything.
creators and you guys that make content, you know, whatever it is that you want to do. If you're interested in collabing, we're more than willing to do that, you know. What we want to do is we want to help people branch out, and that's really our goal, and that's what makes us excited to do this, you know. We're having fun doing it, and we're also going to be able to get ourselves out there, you know, ourselves including you guys. So if you guys have any comments, recommendations, please be sure to do that.
And look, guys, all these videos are for you. We want to entertain you guys. We want to give you guys, you know, something to watch and laugh at and enjoy. So with that being said, we need your guys' feedback. We really do.
Yeah.
We need you guys' recommendations, anything you guys want to see in the comments. We really want to grow, and we can't do that without you guys. So
Yeah, we need you guys.
we need you guys to subscribe. We need you guys to turn on those post notifications. We need you guys to like and comment. And, you know, all that is just going to help us more and give you guys more, you know, videos and
Of what you want to see.
what you
know?
want to see. So we greatly appreciate it. And, you know, share us, like we said on our first video in our intro, share us to your family, friends.
You don't necessarily have to be a creator. If you know somebody that you're like, oh, they're dope, I would love for their work to get, you know, more out there, like, let us know. You know, we're more than willing. We already have a few people that we actually are interested in, and hopefully we'll be reaching out to them, and maybe they'll be interested in making videos. If not, you know, we'll see in the future. But thank you guys so much for subscribing
Hit
and
the
watching
thumbs
this
up.
video. Yes, please comment.
Yes,
Get us
watch
the
our
fastest we
videos.
get to 500 subscribers, that giveaway comes quicker. So
Yeah.
get us there, and
I think you guys will like the giveaway.
you'll enjoy
Yeah,
it.
you guys will enjoy the giveaway. Please watch our videos below and follow our social media, our Instagram and everything. We have
Down there.
a Sun City Dreaming Instagram, so follow that. We'll start to upload more content on that Instagram, and
We'll
we
keep
have
you guys
Twitter
up
and
to
all
date.
that. So yeah,
Check us out.
check us out.
Bye, guys.
What happened to peace?
See ya.
Peace.
Yeah. 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 Everybody two-step in the motherfucker. Ooh. Two-step in the motherfucker.